Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, Pocky. Which state will we talk about today? Thank you, Pocky. This state only has 4 letters. I-O-W-A. Iowa. I wonder what the capital of Iowa is. Thanks, Pocky. You're so smart. This capital has 2 words. D-E-S-M-O-I-N-E-S. Des Moines is the capital of Iowa. Where's Iowa? Do you know? Here it is. Let's make the shape of Iowa using Play-Doh. Here's the state of Iowa, and here's the state of Iowa. Let's color the state flag of Iowa. Thank you, Mr. Nussbaum. Iowa was the 29th state to join the Union. They joined in 1846. Their state snack is s'mores.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.